Softing.
In this video, we are going to explain what is, and where to download and how to install eXport PC software. eXport PC software is a free PC software designed to work seamlessly with eXport. The PC software is a full project lifecycle cable certification management tool, generating hierarchical base labels for projects before test, recertifies test results from selecting wrong limits, manages test results collected from eXport, and exports them to PDF or CSV formats for post-test documentation or analysis purposes. To begin, download the latest version from Softing IT Network's website. Double-click the setup file to install eXport. eXport will install all the necessary files. If an older version is already installed, eXport will prompt for an upgrade. Select Next and eXport will upgrade all the necessary files. eXport is now installed in your computer. Have a look at the other videos or visit our website to explore the other various features of eXport. Thanks for watching.